Linus Johansson asks, is there an alternative to Glossika? I finished the course in 2 days learning Italian. That is unlikely because Italian has more than 5 or 6, I don't remember right now, but at least 5,000 sentences in Glossika. And if you see each one of those 5 times, that's 25 times 25,000 sentences. If you need over an hour for 1,000 sentences, you learned Italian for 25 hours in 2 days. I find it hard to believe, honestly. Maybe you started, that's if you do the whole course. Obviously, if you started at B2 level, it's going to be much less than that. But anyway, what I recommend you do is doing the active recall, the listening, try to understand, and then check the meaning with all the new sentences. You get each one 5 times. And then you go to the review form, and again, you do it as quickly as possible, as many times as necessary. Listen to it without looking, then you check the meaning and see if you understood it correctly or not. And once you've done it enough times that you understand most of them correctly, then you start listening and repeating. Yeah, you listen and repeat the sentences thousands of times. 2 days is not enough. I don't know how many reps you did in a day. Some people do 100 reps, that's pretty good. I do over 1,000 usually a day. It's over an hour of listening and repeating, or active recall. And you should do at least 30 days of that. So you can simply just go back and go in review mode and keep doing more and more reps every day. But finishing the course in 2 days, I don't know how. I can't really see it. I don't know how you do that, honestly.